necessarily because we can just go ahead. Alright, now Vani, tell me, what can I do for you?
I wanted more projecting nose. I have flat nose.
Okay. Any breathing issues that you've had?
Yeah, I had done my septoplasty before.
Oh, septoplasty done. When was it done? Okay. So that's probably why the nose has not grown.
Yeah.
So what happens, septum is a very much integral part for the nasal growth, and when in a very young age, if an aggressive septoplasty is done, the entire midface fails to grow. If you look at her and look at yourself, you're wearing a mask, you can still see that your midface is nice. But look at her, she looks like your sister everywhere except the midface. Because this part has not grown. We call that region nasomaxillary hypoplasia. And that typically starts because of the fact that the septum has been probably over resected. Or she had a bigger issue for which they removed the entire thing. Right? So I definitely need the scans because I will need to see what they've done so many years ago, what is the part of the growth and everything. Yeah, you see there's no support. Alright.
There was an ingrown flesh inside the jaw.
So then it had to be done. So yeah. Not bad. They have written everything in English. So that's the good thing about Bangalore, yeah. It's probably the only city in the world, in India at least, definitely there. They don't use the local language and write English. Good. Right, keep that. So septoplasty in 2008. No, 5.
2008.
So you were how many years old then? You were young.
9 years. She had a very beautiful nose earlier.
Before the surgery?
Yeah.
Like yours?
Like sharp nose, yeah. Not as good as mine, but
that was a good one. Okay. You had a good nose. I totally agree with you. I think you would have had a good nose. Because of your sister similarity and also because the rest of it is fine. And here itself it's not grown forward, the upper jaw. Now, I'll tell you what we'll be able to achieve in surgery roughly. So, this part of the base of the nose has not grown forward so much. Now, what that means is that we are not going to be able to correct that. Nose alone, we'll be able to correct. The second thing that we'll be able to correct is this is a see the grooving here, right? This grooving we can correct. Because when we increase the height, this will get a bit, and it will go a little bit in. So it will it'll look much better there. And here we can make it narrow, here we can make it narrow, we can give an increased projection, right? And I have to also look at what was done earlier in the septum because I might have to do a septal reconstruction. So when we are planning all this, we mostly will need rib harvest. Nothing to be scared of or worried about, but no problem. Alright, so you can see here, this is a pretty broad nose. The important clinical examination is she doesn't have support here, which means we'll have to do a lot of work on the septum, and she has a history of septoplasty. This grooving is also exaggerated. I was just explaining to them that this area is not grown so much, and so that's why when you look at her from the side view, it looks a little bit flat. We're going to get the nasal part projected up, or we're going to let the rest of the face the way it is. Okay, any other concerns you have? Any medical history apart from this? Any history of COVID? Vaccination done? RT-PCR done in time recently? All done? Everything negative? Okay.
I had broken the scale.
Okay.
I have a post. Yeah.
That's okay. We should be careful with that when we give anesthesia. We can't go here. Because the anesthesiologist, they will just yank it when they put the tube in. They shouldn't damage that.
Will I have a sharp nose? percentage? Like, can we notice?
Of course, yeah, it will be noticeable difference.
Okay.
Definitely noticeable. You want me to show you in the mirror how it might come? I can just show you how it might look. Want to see? Come. So we will. So this will go in, okay, and this will come up, and this will come up like that. So about 5 millimeters there on the tip, about 3 millimeters or 4 millimeters from there, and this will go in. And this groove will also go in because we're going to bring it up. So not a totally different nose, but maybe a couple of upgrades on the nose types. How to say? It's not going to get as beautiful as yours.
Oh.
Because see, because of the projection you have and because of the natural thing, I will try and make it as much because your sisters, so I get a good idea. I'll try to make it. But you see this height from here to there, this height is less. I can't increase it by so much in one go because the foundation also won't be there, the septum. The septum is right in the middle. I'm looking for my model, right in the middle. So we'll have to start from there, but it's probably going to be narrower than yours.
Okay.
But not as projected as yours. So in between something.
So these two regions is going to
Yeah.
compressed a little bit.
Quite a lot.
And here?
It'll get raised.
And here?
Inside raised. Here also a little bit in and a lot raised. The tip. You're okay? You tell me, you have any pictures you want to show? Because I see her now, you don't need to show me anything. But if you have any concerns, you can tell me. See, because it's, you've got to have a realistic expectation, right? Because I may not be able to change this totally. Remember, there's a septoplasty done. If you haven't had a septoplasty done, you have a good septum, it's a different story. I can do more. But now the septum done already, the growth has become less for you because it was done at a very young age. Therefore, it's a little bit more challenging for us to now go and make a big long nose. That's why the history matters. You understand? I can give you a much more clearer picture once I see your scans. But it's generally going to be like this.
So if you take out the ribs and all, like,
Yeah.
will it not affect anything?
Nothing. So it's going to be a small piece I will remove from here. And there's going to be no scar, not much pain.
Okay.
That's it. No one will even know that anything was harvested. It's going to be inconspicuous. Scarring, nothing, no issues at all. Patients complain on a scale of 1 to 10. Most patients complain the pain is between 3 and 4 for 2 days. And from day 3, we're doing a study also on this. So I'm giving you the numbers now. And then others on day 3 onwards, 90% of patients say there's zero pain. So that's what you can expect.
And it's going to heal by itself with the ribs that you put
Yeah.
it.
So that will take, the body will accept that, so it will stay there. So that will be for life.
Okay.
You-
Nothing will happen after that. Like,
Once it heals and once it stays there, that's it. It's going to be there for life. But till it heals, you're going to be careful, like not to move it or hit it or anything like that.
so for 6 months?
No. Like 5 weeks.
Okay.
1 week here anyway, and then 4 months or 4 weeks after that. Not 6 months. No, it doesn't take that long around.
Is there any medication needed? Like,
So medications will be there only for about 7-8 days. That's it. There are no real medications. And IV medicines for the first 2 days. Your mom doesn't have any doubt. She's very, very.
I didn't have the plan of coming, but like,
She got you along.
yeah.
I think she wants you to be there. She really told me, no talking now. Let my sister and mom come.
Yeah.
Your mom knows English. I need to talk to her in Kannada.
Kannada.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡ ನಿಮಗೆ
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೈಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ your mom also has a good nose.
Yeah, everyone has a good nose. ಅವನಿಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಇತ್ತು.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ
Operation
ಇದ್ದೀನಿ
ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ-
ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಡುಗಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ sometimes.
14 years ವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ
Correct.
ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು
Correct.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್.
ಬಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪಾಲಿಪ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು.
ಆದ್ರೆ ಉಸಿರಾಟ
ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಈಗ. ವಿಲ್ ಡು ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ. ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ವಿಲ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಇಟ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್.
ಅವಳೇ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇಷ್ಟು ಹುಡುಕಿ
ಹುಡುಗಿ
ಇಷ್ಟು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್
She did the research.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ
She did everything. I made a list of
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ.
What are research I mean, what are you doing right now?
I've done my masters in biotechnology.
Oh, okay, wow. So you're going to do PhD now? So the first research.
Yeah.
Many people do that before they come here. Oh, one of the reasons, because we are in a very small town. So unless you do enough research, they won't come here. Let's say, I go to Nagarkot. Yeah, but we get patients from everywhere. That's different. But for another person who doesn't know, say if it's in Bangalore or Delhi, they'll come easily. But if you're in Nagpur, it's a little difficult. You have to do a proper research to know that it happens here. She's done a good job, good research. Now the next thing is, when do you want me to do this surgery for you? How many days do you have leave and all that? You want to go back and come? You want to get it done now?
We can get it done now.
Okay, how many days leave do you have?
She's
You're on leave? Cool. That's fine. So then we'll take the scan first up. We'll take the scans immediately. Let me go through the scan. Then I'll be able to give you some more inputs and then we'll make a finalized date or time for surgery. Scan noda madam, scan noda. I'll tell you immediately. Alright? Chalo. Margaret?